to talk to you about ways to monetize your business. So if you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, and you want to make your business successful, then the best way to do that is to have multiple sources of income. And the reason is because if you have all of your eggs in one basket and something happens, a hole drops in that basket, then you're in trouble. The best ways to bring in money for your business are ones that you don't have to produce over and over and over again. So this would be recurring revenue. You can do recurring revenue in multiple ways. You can make something such as a digital product and you can sell it over and over and over again. So it's one-time effort with multiple sales. So you only have to do that one time, and that just means that it's much easier for you to do that. There's a lot of different types of digital products. You can do DIYs, so how-tos, courses, coaching. You can make products that people can print out, so print on demand. You can do things like designs for sublimation, for t-shirts. You could do lots of different things using Canva, such as birthday invitations, wedding invitations, anything like that. So there's a lot of different ways that you can create digital products that you can sell over and over and over again. Some of the other ways that you can monetize your business is that you can have social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. All of these pay their creative partners for advertising. So you do have to have a minimum number of subscribers or followers in order to attain that, but it is a free way that you can bring in extra money. Then of course you can sell services and you can sell products. So there's a lot of different ways that you can monetize your business. The best thing to do is to sit down and kind of brainstorm the different ways that you could bring in revenue and then make a plan on how you're going to do that.